A quick announcement for if you want to take your trading to the next level. I recently started a profitable trading signal group in which I show you and I send signals of all of my trades. If you want to join this group or if you're interested in that, go check out the first link down in the description or in the pinned comment.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Welcome to this new video in which I wanted to make an update on Polygon and Matic. Purely technical, but we have to talk about fundamentals first as well a little bit, right? So fundamentals in the market right now are okay. Bitcoin is fairly stable. Today we had it looks like a big crash over the daily, but last 7 days you can see that we've been stable, very stable. Only had a minor crash on the Sunday, I believe, and on Thursday. So this is great for Polygon, great for Matic. And then at the end of March, obviously, we have the ZK EVM beta coming out, which is massive, which is very great news for Polygon and for Matic, therefore as well. We already have seen some bullish momentum because of that here from Tuesday. I know that the market was bullish as well, but Matic definitely rallied a little bit more in total from this bottom on Tuesday. We were up about 35%. So that's great. And now you can see that we have, we've given up the 1.5, 1.47 level. We've dropped down a little bit. So I wanted to make a quick cover. As you can see, purely technically, we're still very bullish. For example, on the daily, you can see that we're still in this very steep uptrend. To be honest, it's quite a steep uptrend. Our biggest drop, I think, in this entire uptrend was last week, when we dropped down about 15%. Right now, from the top, I think we're down about 7, perhaps. Yeah, no, 10%. So the big question is are we going to drop down even more? From finding our resistance at 1.55, you can see that we've started some bearish momentum. But on the other hand, we have found a major support level around 1.4, where we have the 382 FIB and the 50 EMA. So this is kind of what's going on in terms of market structure. I would say it's a bullish flag. Yes, a bullish flag because it's a continuation pattern. But now the big question is are we going to do something like this and break out above it and get towards our next price target, which is 1.6 and 1.64? Or are we going to drop down a little bit lower together with this bearish momentum, find support at 1.35 and 1.3, and then from there be able to get up like this? That's a big question. I think we're going to reach 1.6, 1.64 either way. If Bitcoin does not crash, at least. But for now, it's pretty hard because tomorrow evening, excuse me, we also have the FOMC minutes from the Federal Reserve, which are going to be very important for the market. It's going to make the market move. For now, I'm going to say that if it was dependent on only Matic, we would be able to hold 1.4, 1.39 as a support. And at some point of time this week, we would be able to break out of our major resistance level, 1.47, and get up to our next price target around 1.6. I would say that's the most likely scenario. But I'm going to have to tell you that it does depend on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin, for example, drops down towards 23,500, which is totally possible, definitely with the news tomorrow, if that's the case, then Matic will just drop down lower to that level around 1.32, 1.3, or no, really about 1.32, find support there, and then it will take a little bit longer. But from there, I still think that at some point we will be able to break above 1.4 and continue our rally. So it's really an analysis about the details. We're going to have to see. I mean, I'll keep you updated on this, of course. Unfortunately, it largely depends on the market. I'll keep you updated on that as well. But for now, this is my overview and analysis on Matic. If you have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.